Hello everybody. Today we are going to hang out in the street. And I want to fly with the dog. So smack him. Oh! Harassment. Harassment has been made. But there is no Cat Geneva convention, so I'm good. Or at least I think there's no Cat Geneva convention to fly. Let's do this. I need to get on top. Oh yes, we're flying. Don't. Oh, dog, you okay? Doggy. No, I feel like when I'm in I Am Cat, I always just get harassed. Alright. From that dog harassing me, I shall see what this lady is doing. What are you doing? Tell me. Oh. Well, I don't think she's gonna tell me now. Will at least Melton talk to me? Melton, buddy. Will you talk to me? Talk to me. Talk. I'll give you head pats. Or cheek pats. Do you like that? Will you talk to me now? Talk to me. Oh, wrong way. Talk to me. Talk. Talk. Okay, I'm gonna burn down your house. Yes. Harassed. I meet so many harassments. Grandpa, will you talk to me? Or else I'll break your pot. Man, I am bad. Yeets that at you and destroy. Ooh. I don't think his back is supposed to do that. His spine is bent a bit. We shall throw a bottle at him. Man, it didn't even shatter on him. Will at least these pots be my friend? You're my friend? Phew, that didn't break. No! Man, I really hate life now. Oh wait, it's a ducky. Duckling. What am I saying? Will we see this man actually being our friend? Well, probably not now. Bottles? Ooh, bottles. Do we just throw them down? I didn't know you could actually move these. I did see the bottles, but I didn't know you could get them out. I thought they were just a part of this thing. Why do I keep falling? Duckies, want a bottle? I got a bottle for you. Oh, what? It just went through the floor. Duckies, I better not mess this one up. Ugh. Man, I actually suck at throwing. Although they could just shrink the pond. That's disgusting water. Throw that at him. Why do I keep hitting a chair? The other one just went through the floor and the chair. And that one actually breaks. You know what? I don't even care. Just go down. I like how it just goes. I like how it breaks on the stairs. Why? Finally, I can be a normal cat. Although I am not normal for for a cat. Ooh, apple. More apple. Alright, let's play basketball. Oh, imagine I hit that plant. That would be sick. It'd be actually a pretty cool trick shot for a cat. And probably I'm the only one that would probably do that. We shall make a basketball shot. Why did that take me a while to say? Alright. Hold up, hold up. Hold up. No. I didn't mean to throw that on the floor. Ah, what the heck is happening? Ah! One hand shot. Ah! Okay, that was better. Can we do a slam dunk? Let's do a slam dunk. I don't even care about life. Get out! Alright. So, I don't know why I've been not saying this, or like, ever been saying it, but today, we are going to fly the height limit with the doggy. I already flew with him, but he may have just hit the pole, or whatever you call that. So, we shall harass doggy. Did I say that right? We shall harass the doggy again, and then reach max height limit with him. Yes, we are flying high. Let's get the dog to Grandpa. He hasn't seen the dog before. Hey, Grandpa, I got you a new owner. I got you a new dog. I wonder if you like it. You know, I don't even care about him. What the? What? What is happening? What? What? Okay, we're back. That was a bit weird. I want to fly with you. Time to fly with the dog again. Time to fly. Alright, we're flying. Oh, dog. I shall harass you more. No. Not to the pigeons. I hate the pigeons. Although I do like to eat them. No, not to Grandpa again. Last time that bugged out. Let's just fly. What do I do with life now? Wait, it says no cats over there. But can I get to there? With the dog. With the dog. No. Wait. Can we get here? Oh, will we finally be united? Oh, time to land on my feet. And preparing. Landing. What? I just fall out of the world. Or the map. What happened? Are these buildings all fake? Why am I so bad at English, by the way? I have no idea. But just bring me back. Well, you can subscribe, but you don't have to. Goodbye.